You're very lucky that that would have cost you 6 points and maybe your job.
Hello.
You see this? I am the OG of cyclists catching drivers like you.
Oh, yeah.
And today's video is of a driver got disqualified.
Hey?
My video I released today is of a driver from March last year who got disqualified. That could have been you, right?
Hello.
Don't touch it, man. Have a good day. Let's go. Oh, she's touched the phone. I knew it. Saw the yellow phone case. Typing with her right second finger. Rolling forwards. She's still typing. You can see a lit up phone screen. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. On her phone. And now you're going through a red light, madam. Yeah, you're distracted. Okay, now it's turned green. RP22RMP. RP22RMP. Careful of this turning vehicle.